While the hearing in Sheena Bora murder case continues and the special CBI court in Mumbai, details that have emerged in this case in fact speak about how CBI has deposed before the court stating that the remains and bones that were collected of Sheena Bora in 2012 are not feasible. In fact, before this, cops were also recording statements. CBI had also recorded statements of several of these witnesses. Currently, right now, the doctor who had conducted postmortem was to be deposed before the CBI court. In fact, before this, before the CBI court in the month of May, the person who had first recovered the remains, who found the remains in Raigarh, that of Sheena Bora, had also presented this statement before the court, wherein he mentioned that he'd gone to that very area, that is in Raigarh forest, wherein he'd gone to pick up some mangoes, was where he found the remains of Sheena Bora. Of course, there's contention based on whether those remains that have been found are that of Sheena Bora or not. But now, while the hearing is on before the CBI court, the CBI's public prosecutor has mentioned before the court that these remains which were collected, that of bones, are not being traced by CBI, which is where the matter has now been adjourned to June 27. This is a new, new development that's come in the case, a new twist in the case. As of now, even before this, there have been several instances, in fact, thrice, where the matter has been adjourned. Right now, in the stage of trial before the court, as of now, statements of those who were crucial to collecting evidences for the agencies is being recorded before the court. It's all being deposed before the court. This is where the stage of the investigation stands. As of now, CBI has also cross-examined several witnesses in this case. But so far, when you speak of Indrani Mukherjee, one of the main accused in this case, she was given bail by Supreme Court approximately, say, 2 years back. This was on the grounds that it was 6.5 years since Indrani Mukherjee was behind bars in the Sheena Bora case, and because she'd spent so much time behind bars was where the apex court allowed Indrani Mukherjee to step out of the Baikla jail, where she was housed for 6.5 years. In fact, this entire case had come to light in 2012 when Sheena Bora, who was said to be the daughter of Indrani Mukherjee, went missing. In fact, after a couple of months was when this very statement, this very details had come out, where a complaint was lodged saying Sheena Bora has gone missing. There were several allegations that were levelled against Indrani Mukherjee, in fact Peter Mukherjee as well. And after a round of investigation was where Indrani Mukherjee was arrested on the grounds it was she who orchestrated the murder of Sheena Bora. Of course, Indrani and Peter were behind bars for quite some time, where they also saw the trial, where they also had divorce. But as of now, while we speak of this very case, Indrani has been out on bail. Though several hearings take place regularly where Indrani is presented. Right now, the statements of those are being recorded. Of course, as of now, the person who conducted the forensic examination of the bones and the remains was to be present before the court. But CBI says that the remains are not being found. All of these are crucial aspects when you speak of the investigation in this case. Of course, in this investigation, there have been several loopholes that have been highlighted, right from the evidences that have been collected, considering the bones did not match at certain point of time. The DNA sampling was also not done well. All of these are crucial aspects that have come forth in the investigation, which have laid questions on the grounds of investigation, because of which the case has not been watertight.